Okay students, last class we discussed basic geometrical ideas up to exercise 4.3. What are the concepts we studied in last class? First concept, line segment, ray and angles. Next concept, curve, open curve, closed curve, simple closed curve. Another next concept is polygons. What do you mean by polygons? A polygon is nothing but it is a closed figure made up of only line segment. Okay. What are the types of polygons? Types of polygon. I think we discussed in last class. A polygon containing only three line segments, then it is said to be triangle. A polygon containing only three line segments. For example, this is a polygon containing three line segments. So this is also polygon containing three line segments. A polygon containing three line segments, it is said to be triangle. Next one, quadrilateral. What do you mean by quadrilateral? The polygon containing how many line segments? Four line segments, like that. So here it is a closed figure made up of only four line segments. It is called quadrilateral. In that quadrilateral, again six types will come. So what are those? Just I will discuss. What is first one? In quadrilateral, first one is square. Second one is rectangle. So third one is parallelogram. So fourth one is rhombus. Fifth one is trapezium. So sixth one is kite. So here these are the concepts you will study about in this future year like 9th and 10th. Just I recall that how many types of quadrilateral? There are six types of quadrilaterals. Mainly square. You know square means all sides are equal. Rectangle means this blackboard is look like a rectangle. It's a length, both length. These two are the length and these two are the breadth. And parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium and kite. And the next types of polygon, you know, the polygon containing three line segment, it is triangle. It is a four line segment, it is quadrilateral. Five line segment, pentagon. Six line segment, hexagon. I think I explained last class. So today concept will go for discussion of triangle. So what do you mean by triangle? Definition. A polygon containing three line segments, then it is said to be triangle. So in triangle, there are three types of based on sides. First one, types of a triangle. Types of a triangle. This is the symbol of triangle. Okay. What are the types based on? First one, equilateral triangle. Of course, this will not in your syllabus. Just I will explain. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? In triangle, how many sides are there? Three sides are. All three sides are equal. All three sides are equal. Then it is said to be equilateral triangle. Second one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So what is the properties of isosceles? Its two opposite sides are equal. Means these two sides are equal. So last one, scalene triangle. What do you mean by scalene triangle? Its all sides are different. Length of all sides are different. Then it is said to be scalene triangle. How many types of triangles are there? There are three types of triangles based on sides. First one, equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. Second one is isosceles triangles. Its two opposite sides are equal. And scalene triangle, all three sides are different. And one more thing, in a triangle there are three vertices are there. Three vertices are there. A, B, C. And three sides are there. What are the sides? A, B, B, C, and C, A. And three angles are there. Angle A, angle B and angle C. These are the properties of triangle. What are the properties? Three vertices are there. Three line segment means line segment is nothing but sides. Three sides are there as well as three angles are there. Okay. Okay, dear students, as we know that definition of triangle, there are three types of triangles. First one is isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. What are the properties of equilateral triangle? All sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, its opposite sides are equal. Scalene triangle, its all sides are different. What do you mean by triangle? A polygon containing three line segments, then it is said to be triangle. How many vertices it has? It has three vertices, three sides, and three angles. So based on that properties, let us go for exercise 4.4. What is the first question? Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a point Q its exterior. Is the point P is its exterior or in its interior? First we should draw that rough triangle, that is I will draw. So this is the triangle A, B, C. Okay. So we constructed a triangle, rough diagram of triangle ABC. Okay. Here these ABC are what? ABC are vertices. This AB, BC, AC are the sides. Angle A, angle B, angle C are the angles. What is that? Mark a point P in its interior. Interior means what? Inside. Exterior means external point. Okay, outside. So mark a point P. Just anywhere you can mark a point inside the triangle. So just I will mark. And one more point Q on exterior. I will mark a point Q. Okay. What is that actual question? Is the point A its exterior or its interior? So tell me whether the point A is interior. It belongs to interior or exterior. So it is neither interior and nor exterior. Then what do you mean by A? A is a vertex. It is neither interior nor exterior. So how to write the answer? Since A is neither interior nor exterior of a triangle. This is the symbol of triangle. Of a triangle A, B, C. Therefore, A is a, what is A? A is a vertex of a triangle ABC. Or just you can write vertex. A is the vertex. So this is the answer of the first question. Okay, dear students, what is the next question? Here they given the diagram, triangle A, B, C. Here it is one more line segment drawn like that BC. Okay. So with the help of that diagram, we need to find the solution of the given question. What is the first question? Identify the three triangles in the figure. Identify how many triangles we need? Three triangles. So first I will guess this ABC is a one triangle. Correct? This is A, B, C, one triangle. A, B, D is also one more triangle. A, D, C is also one more triangle. So three triangles. First one, triangle A, B, C. Second one, triangle A, B, D. Next one, triangle A, D, C. So how many they asked? Write three triangles. So triangle A, B, C, triangle A, B, D, triangle A, B, C. Okay. So second one, write the names of seven angles. How many angles they need? Seven angles. So just I will write here. This is the first angle. Just the second angle, third angle, fourth angle, fifth angle, sixth angle, and this whole angle becomes one more angle. Okay. One by one I will write. First one, angle A, B, C. This is one angle. A, B, C. Next one, B, C, A. First I will take the outer line. Means B, C, A. Next one, C, A, B. C, A, B means full angle I am taking. This full angle. C, A, B means full angle. Angle C, A, B. These three angles are comes in triangle ABC. Now take separate angle ADB. ADB. Next ADC. ADC. Next goes to reverse. DAB. DAB means just this one only. DAB means this is the DAB. DAB or BAD. Angle DAB. So this DAB over. Next DAC. DAC. Count it how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 angles are formed. Okay. So don't get confused. First three angles are angle B, angle C, angle A. Next these two angles 5 and these two angles. Total 7 angles. So now come to that C. Write the names of 6 line segments. So we already know that what is meant by line segment. It has a 2 endpoints. So this is one line segment AB. So AB is a line segment. You know how to write mathematically AB. Next BC. Next CA. So these three line segments are formed from a triangle ABC. Next take this BD. BD. Next CD. And one more AD. So count it how many line segments? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now last question. Which two triangles have a common, means have angle B as a common? Angle B as a common means when you select any two triangles, so that one of the angles should be common. So which two triangles? So either you can take in triangle ABC, angle B is there. In triangle ABC and in triangle ABD. In these two triangles, angle B is a common. Okay. One more possible way is there. Angle ACB. In triangle ABC, this C will come. In triangle ACD also, angle C will come. Got the idea? But actually, what are they asked? Which two triangles have a common angle B? So common angle B means we need to select triangle ABC and triangle ABD. In these two triangles, this B is a common angle. Okay. So which two triangles? Triangle ABC and triangle ABD. These two triangles have a common angle. B. Okay. So this is the complete of 4.4 exercise. So okay, dear students, recently we completed triangle. So after triangle, we will go for quadrilateral. It is also one of the type of polygon. So what do you mean by quadrilateral? A polygon containing 4 line segments, then it is said to be quadrilateral. A polygon containing 4 line segments A, B, C, D. Okay. So here, what are ABCD? ABCD are the vertices of a quadrilateral. ABCD are the vertices of a quadrilateral ABCD. And here AB, BC, CD and AD are the sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. And how many angles formed here? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. So 4 angles are formed. And here one more. How many maximum diagonals can be drawn in a quadrilateral? In triangle we cannot draw that diagonal, but in quadrilateral we can draw maximum 2 diagonals. So opposite sides are there. See opposite vertices. Join the opposite vertices. This is one of the diagonal. And this is one of the diagonal. So where the 2 diagonals intersect, we can be the point P. Okay. So here AC and BD are what? Diagonals. AC and BD are what? Diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. So that two quadrilateral intersect at a point P inside the quadrilateral, not an outside. Exterior means exterior is nothing but outside. What are the properties of quadrilateral? It has a 4 vertices, 4 sides, and 4 angles, and 2 diagonals. And recently we also studied types of quadrilateral. So actually that types of quadrilateral is not in your syllabus, but it will help for your future. What are the types of there are 6 types of quadrilaterals. First one square, second one rectangle, third one parallelogram, fourth one trapezium, fifth one rhombus, last one kite. So these are the types of the types as well as properties will discuss in the coming years, means future. So for this year, this is enough. What do you mean by quadrilateral and what are the properties of quadrilateral?